Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your typing sound louder on your iPhone. So let's start the video. Now first of all, go to settings and scroll down and find sounds and haptics. Click it, and here you can see the option change with the buttons. Just enable it. That's right, I just enable the toggle, and after that scroll down and go to a headphone safety. Here click it, and here you can see the option reduce loud audio. Click it and make it on, and you can see this is on default settings, and you can adjust on your liking. I'm gonna make it all the way up to 100 decibel, and just go back and you will now see a significant change in your haptics or in typing sound. So this is the video, and I hope it's a helpful video for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next